So the project that we've got this week working with our customer on is a substantial deployment of our grid analytics sensors across 8 regions of the customer's network in Africa.
So this is really the first phase of the project. Of course, the distribution network is very vast across the country. We know the EPRA, which is the regulatory body in Kenya, has specific requirements about outage and the duration for the customer. And we understood that this was part of the plan to improve on these metrics. And we'll be looking forward to having the sensors being shipped into the country. We'll have another session for site acceptance and training. We're going to have Megger engineers working together with 𝐼𝐴 to really help the customer in the implementation phase. Then looking forward to really scaling this project and deploying it across the country.
I am extremely excited about this project. I think it's progressing really well, and it is a big milestone for Africa. Africa is a very large place, and it has a very extensive overhead line network that runs through some of the harshest terrains that you can imagine. Deep valleys, thick forest, deserts. We have all kinds of terrains, and managing a grid that size in that environment is not easy. Fault finding is a very complicated process which can take days to do. So whenever there is a problem, people are sometimes without power for a very long period of time. So the deployment of such a large amount of sensors that we're doing right now will immediately, in my opinion, reduce the amount of time spent on locating those faults.
I'm proud of what we've done. The feeling is one of joy, pride. You know, it's sort of, it warms you. My gosh, this is such a great project.
So we're looking very forward to that step, and I think it's going to be very exciting to see how this is adopted into their daily operation.